Hello guys, today I want to introduce our one special laser tube cutting machine for review. Why called it is special? Because it has some difference with the regular laser tube cutting machines. The first thing is this machine can cut almost all the tube materials, like the rod pipe, square tube, H steel, V steel, and so on. Almost all the tube can cut by these machines. And the second is, though these machines only have two chucks, but it can release in cut the material like the three chucks. Why it can do this? Because this machine beam can move back to cut the materials between the two chucks areas. Look here, it has one transmission system could light the beam to move back. It is light. These machines can produce some more 3 meter longer work pieces like the 3 chucks laser tube cutting machines. And thirdly, these machines only have half the price like the 3 chucks laser tube cutting machines. If you also have the related need to cut the various tube materials and large work pieces, please contact me. I will offer the most suitable machine accessories for you. Because you can see in here, we also have one small models. These machines process materials diameter is more smaller than this one. Their difference, this one is 200 millimeter and this one can reach in 3 or 500 millimeters. Okay, if you also have related need, welcome to contact me. Thank you.